Most people don't realize that the answers to modern ailments, fatigue that no pill touches, inflammation that lingers, immune systems weakened by indoor life and processed food, were quietly preserved in ancient texts for thousands of years. What if the land itself still holds the keys? What if the plants our ancestors relied on for healing, strength, and survival are still waiting in the soil, patient and indestructible, ready to restore what modern systems have taken away? Imagine a garden that doesn't just feed you, but fortifies you. A backyard sanctuary where resilience grows from the ground up. Today, we uncover 10 biblical superfoods that sustained prophets, nourished kings, and healed the weary. These are not fragile imports or lab-created supplements. They are legendary survivors, overlooked, sometimes forgotten, yet more relevant now than ever in an age of water scarcity, erratic weather, and fragile supply chains. We'll explore their origins, why they matter for your health and self-reliance, and exactly how to bring them into your American homestead. Stay with me. Something even more profound awaits at numbers 5 and 6, plants that could redefine what prepared truly means. Number 1. The olive tree, Olea europaea. It stood on the Mount of Olives, silent witness to prayer and betrayal. For millennia, its fruit and oil were more than food. They were medicine, light, and anointing. The Bible speaks of olive oil poured on wounds, used in sacred rituals, and sustaining entire households. Modern science confirms what the ancients knew. Extra virgin olive oil's polyphenols act like natural anti-inflammatories, supporting heart health, reducing oxidative stress, and even mimicking some effects of ibuprofen without the side effects. Why did it nearly fade from everyday reliance? Industrial seed oils flooded the market, cheap and convenient, pushing aside this patient perennial. Today, with heart disease still claiming lives and inflammation rising from sedentary routines, the olive tree matters more than ever. It thrives in poor, well-drained soil, laughs at drought once established, and offers food security like few others. Plant it once, and it can produce for centuries. On your homestead, choose a cold-hardy variety suited to your zone. Plant in full sun with excellent drainage. Water deeply but infrequently the first 2 years. After that, it becomes remarkably self-sufficient. Prune lightly to shape, harvest ripe olives for curing or press for oil. One mature tree can yield gallons of liquid gold annually. The olive tree doesn't just survive, it endures, quietly, relentlessly, offering healing in every drop. Number 2. The fig tree, Ficus carica. Hezekiah's boil was healed with a fig poultice. Jesus cursed one for bearing no fruit. Figs were symbols of abundance in the Promised Land. This ancient tree delivers gentle yet powerful digestive support, rich in fiber, prebiotics, and enzymes that soothe the gut. Studies highlight its antioxidants and minerals that aid blood sugar balance and skin health, practical relief for the over 50 body navigating modern diets. Figs were overlooked as commercial orchards favored high-yield annuals and fragile hybrids. Yet in a world of processed food and leaky gut, this tree rebuilds from within. It tolerates heat, poor soil, and drought better than most fruit trees, making it ideal for self-reliant gardens facing climate shifts. Plant a young fig in full sun or light shade in deep, fertile but well-drained soil. Mulch heavily to retain moisture. Water consistently until established, then reduce. Figs fruit on new growth. Prune in winter for shape and productivity. Many varieties produce 2 crops a year. Protect from hard freezes with wraps in colder zones. It stands patient through seasons of neglect and still rewards the prepared hand. A single tree can feed a family for decades. Number 3. Pomegranate, Punica granatum.
Mentioned repeatedly as a blessing of the good land, its ruby seeds and juice burst with antioxidants. Ancient healers valued it for vitality. Today, research shows punicologens and ellagic acid support cardiovascular health, reduce arterial plaque, fight inflammation, and may even inhibit certain cancer cell growth. For homeowners over 35, it's a quiet defender against age-related decline. Pomegranates faded from prominence as grocery aisles filled with sugary juices and synthetic vitamins. But with water scarcity rising, this drought-tolerant shrub or small tree offers concentrated nutrition with minimal inputs. Choose a variety like Wonderful for reliability in most U.S. climates. Plant in full sun, well-drained soil. It handles alkaline conditions common in many regions. Water deeply during establishment, mature plants need little supplemental water. Prune to an open vase shape. Harvest when skin turns deep red and sounds hollow when tapped. Eat fresh, juice, or dry the seeds. It grows strong where others wither. One planting, years of antioxidant-rich harvest. True self-reliance in fruit form.